Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. To enter prank mode, you have to start by open the charging case, and if your earbuds outside from the case, you need to put them inside the case. After that, inside the case we have the connection button right here, and you need to press and hold this connection button until the LED lights start blinking white and blue. So press and hold. Here we go. After that, we should see them at the device list, and right here we have them, so you can easily pair them by just tap at your device. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!